Sakurajima, located in Kagoshima Prefecture in southern Japan, is one of the country's most iconic and active volcanoes. Towering over Kagoshima Bay, this magnificent stratovolcano was once an island until a powerful eruption in 1914 connected it to the Osumi Peninsula via a lava flow. Today, Sakurajima stands as a majestic, smoking sentinel overlooking the city of Kagoshima, embodying both natural beauty and the dynamic, sometimes volatile, spirit of the Japanese archipelago. With its ever-changing landscape, frequent eruptions, and profound cultural and historical significance, Sakurajima is not only a natural wonder, but also a central figure in the life of the region's inhabitants. Now we in Eremura Lava Observation Deck. This situated along the southern coastline of the volcano, this observation area offers an unparalleled perspective of Sakurajima's rugged terrain, active volcanic peaks, and the surrounding coastline shaped by ancient and modern lava flows. The observation deck is perched atop a hill of hardened lava from the devastating 1946 eruption, providing not just panoramic views, but also a visceral sense of the volcano's raw geological power. Surrounded by jagged lava rocks and twisted remnants of scorched earth, visitors are immediately immersed in a landscape that feels both alien and awe-inspiring, a stark reminder of the volatile natural forces that continue to shape the region. Accessible by car or tour bus, the Eremura Lava Observation Deck is a must-stop on any Sakurajima sightseeing route. The deck provides sweeping views of the southern peak crater, which is the most active part of Sakurajima. On clear days, smoke can be seen rising continuously from the crater, sometimes accompanied by small explosive eruptions that scatter ash and volcanic gases into the sky. A dramatic sight that captivates both casual tourists and volcano enthusiasts alike. But the Eremura Observation Deck is more than just a viewpoint. What makes the Eremura area particularly striking is its sense of eerie stillness. Unlike urban viewpoints or busy tourist attractions, the observation deck and surrounding trails often feel quiet and isolated, which enhances the dramatic atmosphere. The contrast between the still, hardened lava fields and the constant activity of the volcano just a few kilometers away evokes a powerful emotional response. An awareness of the transient nature of life and the vast timescales on which natural processes operate. Visitors often describe the feeling as both humbling and spiritual, as if walking through a sacred place shaped by fire and time. During your visit, it's not uncommon to hear the rumble of a minor eruption or see a faint plume drifting into the blue sky above the crater, reinforcing the idea that Sakurajima is very much alive. It's also the entrance to the Eremura Lava Trail, a winding walking path that takes visitors through an expansive field of hardened lava rock. This path loops through a lunar-like landscape formed during multiple eruptions over the last century, particularly in 1946, when lava flowed violently through this area, changing the coastline and burying everything in its path. Along the trail, you'll encounter strange, otherworldly rock formations, wind-blasted shrubbery, and small trees that have managed to take root in the cracks of cooled magma. Interpretive signs placed throughout the trail explain the geological history of each eruption and the unique types of lava formations seen in the area. The walk is easy and suitable for all ages, with well-marked paths, scenic photo spots, and resting benches along the way. From the observation deck, the view extends across Kagoshima Bay and the distant skyline of Kagoshima City, providing an almost surreal juxtaposition of modern life and primal natural force. The bay itself was once part of a massive caldera formed by an ancient volcanic explosion and now cradles both the city and the ever-active Sakurajima. Throughout the year, the vegetation around the trail changes, offering seasonal contrasts to the stark blackness of the lava fields. In spring and early summer, hardy grasses and wildflowers begin to bloom, showing nature's slow but persistent reclaiming of the land. Birds and insects return to the area, and you might even spot small lizards basking on the warm rocks. This gradual regrowth is part of the allure of the Eremura area. It demonstrates that life can endure even in the harshest of environments. In recent years, improvements have been made to enhance the visitor experience while preserving the natural environment. Signage has been updated, safety measures increased, and conservation efforts promoted by local authorities and volunteers. Visitors are encouraged to stay on marked paths, avoid picking plants or climbing rocks, and to take only photographs, leaving the delicate volcanic landscape undisturbed for future generations. A visit to Eremura Lava Observation Deck is often described as one of the most unforgettable parts of a trip to Sakurajima. It offers a perfect blend of natural beauty, geological fascination, and emotional depth. Standing on solidified lava, looking up at an active crater just a few kilometers away, and feeling the silent power that shaped the land beneath your feet, all of this combines into a deeply moving encounter with Earth's raw forces. Whether you come to learn, to photograph, to reflect, or simply to experience the sheer scale of nature's power, Eremura leaves a lasting impression. It is a place where the line between destruction and renewal is constantly redrawn, where past and present meet in stone and ash, and where the volcano's restless breath continues to shape the island, day after day. The observation area also offers excellent views at sunrise and sunset, when the light softens the jagged edges of the lava fields and paints the volcano in hues of orange and gold. Photographers often seek out this location for its dramatic lighting and dynamic skies. When clouds roll in and mingle with volcanic steam, the scene takes on an ethereal, almost cinematic quality. The name Eremura itself comes from a small fishing village that once thrived in this region before being evacuated and buried during past eruptions. Today, remnants of the old village are gone, but the legacy lives on in the name of the viewpoint and in the collective memory of the local people. The area serves as a living museum to Sakurajima's destructive past and its ongoing geological evolution. For those interested in learning more, the observation deck area also features a small display with photos and diagrams explaining the history of the 1946 eruption and the lava's flow paths. Educational groups, researchers, and school children often visit Eremura as part of environmental studies or disaster preparedness programs. The deck and trail provide a powerful hands-on learning environment where the concepts of plate tectonics, volcanic activity, and ecosystem resilience come alive. It also serves as a poignant reminder of the importance of early warning systems, evacuation planning, and the human capacity to adapt and rebuild after disaster. As such, the Eremura Lava Observation Deck is not just a scenic point. It's a place of learning, memory, and reverence. Culturally, Sakurajima has inspired numerous artists, poets, and musicians. The contrast between its destructive power and the serene beauty of the surrounding bay has long fascinated creative minds. The ever-smoking volcano rising over Kagoshima Bay is a frequent subject in traditional Japanese paintings and modern photography alike. The interplay of ash clouds, light, and shadow creates dramatic, almost mystical scenes that shift with the weather and seasons. Visitors often speak of the awe they feel standing before Sakurajima, a sense of both humility and reverence before nature's grandeur. In the broader context of Japan's volcanic landscape, Sakurajima stands out not just for its activity, but for its accessibility and integration into urban life. While other active volcanoes such as Mount Aso or Mount Unzen are located in more remote or rural settings, Sakurajima looms directly across from a major city. This proximity has required a sophisticated approach to disaster preparedness and response. Kagoshima's municipal authorities, in cooperation with the Japan Meteorological Agency, operate a state-of-the-art disaster response system that includes constant monitoring, real-time alerts, and detailed evacuation plans. Schools, businesses, and households all participate in regular drills, and the city's infrastructure is designed with volcanic hazards in mind. Sakurajima also plays a role in environmental research and education. The volcano serves as a natural laboratory for scientists studying volcanic activity, soil regeneration, and ecological succession. The Sakurajima Volcano Research Center, operated by Kyoto University, is a key institution in this regard, contributing to global understanding of volcanic processes and disaster mitigation. Educational programs and guided tours often include visits to the center, where students and tourists alike can learn about the complex systems that underlie volcanic activity and the innovative techniques used to monitor and respond to it.